Yeah, this is what it looks like so far. It's pretty ugly. We got our control arm that's bent, cracked, tie rod bent, but luckily from SLR, we got a brand new one. It doesn't match, but it doesn't matter because as long as we get mad angle, we really don't care. And then we got our brand new tie rod too. All right, so we're gonna get to it. Surprised that came off so easy. Hi.
How's this coming off?
Sick, we got it off, bro.
The screwdriver. We gotta
poke that spherical bearing out of there.
This is fucked. Did you get a new inner tie rod?
Yeah.
Might be killing. Bang around like on all three sides, making
Boom.
There we go.
Nice job, dude.
So we'll grease this up before we put it back in.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, so here's the old one, and here's the new one. Yeah, as you see, that is a little off for the angle.
Well, by like a good 5.5, 6 inches.
The webs we weave. I actually like having one not matching.
No, you don't.
All right, sick. So the next attack is I'm gonna take that crappy tie rod off because that's all bent, and then we'll be ready to go. We can put it back on the ground. We're gonna make a quick trip to our favorite spot ever, R&R, to get this perfect 32mm wrench so we can take off the old tie rod end. And we got the new bushing and the solid lollipop bearing. No. Yeah, we got our Delrin bushing on there, so all we got to do now is take off the old bent tie rod end, put the new one on, and then we can have our angle back to normal.
Fucking kidding me!
What do you want?
You have the wrong end on this fucking gun.
It's irrelevant to what we're doing. Alright, we got it.
Nice!
Yeah,
there we go. And we're removing the broken parts.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah, compared to
Not good.
these two guys, fuck out of that.
Should you use it though?
I don't know. Drop us a line in the comment section.
We're not waiting for that.
No, we're not. But drop us a line to let us know that we fucked up by not reusing this fucking winged piece of shit.
I don't want my wheel to come off.
I hope it does.
We're gonna Google it.
No, we're not. We're just gonna install it and send it. Dude, just put a whole bunch of red Loctite on it. It'll do the same thing.
Yeah, so I left this on so I could count the threads, so we'll have somewhat of my alignment correct still.
How are you gonna count the threads?
With my fingers.
Oh my god, that doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, we'll be back after we count threads. I have the car back down on the ground.
I know, I'm pretty excited. And I can't wait to see what my angle is with the thinner wheels up front and my spacers. So I think I'll be able to almost max out the kit. I gotta go under there anyways, just forget about it.
It doesn't work like that because it's not at a straight. It's just wobbling. It's not straight on the end. That won't help. What you want to do is...
Stop! What you want to do is back up. Ah! Fucker! Dude, if that actually went in there and got stuck, I'd be so mad at you. I got it. There we go.
Nice and cross-threaded.
Yep.
And put that wrench straight into the track box, so next time you bend a...
Well, if I bend it, I'm sure I'm going to have way more damage than that. Now I just need a zip tie. Garage. Oh my god.
Don't know what I just dropped.
The bolts to the SLR kit, dude.
Oh, they went flying,
Can you
dude.
please find those? Alright.
Yeah, you can also flip your tie rod so it faces the right way.
It is.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
He's already putting it in backwards.
Yeah. How does this go?
Oh, he got the wrong...
Is this for the other side? Jesus Christ. Then you got a rubber hammer.
I enjoy this.
I bet you do, Ian.
Oh, they do have pickups for a sway bar.
Yeah.
Just not used by us.
Yeah, I mean, I hear a lot of people don't use them. When
I think
I had my sway bar in, it would wind me up and throw me like crazy on transitions. I was like, fuck this.
I might remove my front sway bar.
Try it. You're gonna realize it's not gonna wind up and spring you the opposite direction as much.
That is definitely something that fucks me. It's like on my transitions, like you've seen me. As soon as I like transition to one direction, I'm doing perfect, and then I try and turn the other way, and I'm fucking spinning.
Also, it would probably help you a lot if you didn't have a tiny steering wheel.
That has nothing to do with it. I like my steering wheel.
I hate your steering wheel.
Because I have power steering, I don't need to have a goddamn bus wheel.
I like the big wheel because you can dial in some adjustments.
Dial in. Don't act technical.
You say it all the time.
Yeah, my grip is dialed in.
I got it from you, Jeff.
Hoosiers.
Is this a 17?
I had to admit to Mike Boobie that maybe my tire choice wasn't the best.
This purple is really going to show all my leaks.
So Steve, if I give you the car cover that's on the E28 right now, could I bring my E28 and put it in the garage and start working on it?
There's no room in the garage.
This garage?
Yeah, there's no room in it. The E36 is in it.
Well, I'd put it where the E30 is right now.
Then where does this go?
Outside, under the car cover.
It's got no windows.
With a car cover!
It doesn't matter. It's not going to be like tight. Car covers suck, man.
You suck.
You suck.
Did you get extended bolts with the spacers? Dude, I don't know why you just don't do a stud conversion. It fucking gives me jittery.
I know. I probably could.
Dude, I spent like $70, $20 on studs, and then fucking $50. I didn't even think I spent $50 on Muteki lugs.
Kentucky lugs?
Muteki.
Kentucky.
Around and around the wheel goes.
We back together, dudes. It
All right.
actually looks pretty straight to me.
Yeah, let's put a wheel on.
Wait, let me
Pull
check this shit.
God damn, that is some insane caster you have on this car. I wonder why it self-steers. Look at that fucking angle on that bitch. I don't know if you can truly appreciate. That's like a steep-ass angle.
Sick! That's a stupid amount of angle.
It's like 60 degrees, 65.
Alright, well, I won't even have that much angle with the wheel on. Well, actually, no, I will, because the other wheel was hitting.
Let's see.
I'm hoping this will make
Put
me
these ugly
get
pieces
more
of shit on here.
You're so negative. What do you mean? Oh, you want to count them? Let me at least get it on.
Wait, don't you have this wheel on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it does stick out a bit more. Sick, you're gonna rub.
Yeah. Want to see what angle we got, dude?
Oh, that turns nice.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm hitting here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm hitting the control arm. It's not maxed, but see the wheels hitting the control arm? Right there?
Yep.
That's an issue. But I mean, that's what my other wheels did that too.
You just don't do that.
You kind of have to.
How do you have like a spacer in there? You must have to put some type of rack spacer.
No, I think you just put more spacers on the wheel, right?
I don't know. I don't run an angle kit. My car's got enough stock angle.
Yeah. So that's hitting. That's a lot of angle still. It's a hair more than what I had to begin with.
So don't hit full lock.
You have to.
Bullshit.
You have to hit full lock. Like that's how you stop. All right. So on full lock, I'm still running into the issue where I hit my wheel on my control arm, and I'm not really sure I'd do that unless I get bigger spacers. But then I'm gonna end up hitting in there and on my fender. Lower profile tires. Those are already kind of low though. Try this one.
You might have to raise the car a little bit.
Yeah, it's not even on the ground, and I can't even fit a finger in there, so I know I'm hitting that.
We might have to roll that.
Roll it again? It's already rolled.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
We might have to pull it.
Pull it? That's really the only thing I can think of fixing this problem, because it'll be going out to like here. But also, the E30 M3 fenders are not going to go back here. They're going to still be the same spot, but out. So I'm still gonna hit. Post in the comments if you guys have an angle kit, or even better, the SLR angle kit for the E30, and what your specs are for your wheels and your spacers and all that good stuff, because I need some help.
18s, and Brandon Freniuk runs.
We don't know.
17s.
But clearly I've been having this issue for a while. I just don't care enough. That's all from rubbing my old wheels off of my old control arm. That's like molten aluminum. Yeah, I don't know. I hope I can fix this issue. Well, I should be able to. Just simple math. All right, guys.
Hey, dudes, are you ready now?
It's ready to. Not ready now. All right, guys. So that's going to do it for the E30. Well, at least for today. We got the control arm on, tie rod in. We did the, we painted the fender a color that's not even close to what Nardo Gray is supposed to be, but we're gonna wrap that another time. We put the new valve cover in. It's all nice and shaved. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.
Anytime
See you
Steve
at the track.
says that will do it for the E30, that's never the end. There's always gonna be more work to do.
It's gonna be the end for you.
It's the end for this car. It's been a rough life.
Let's go.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.